Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to show how to use YuJa to upload and record video directly into Canvas. That's using the video service YuJa that we use here at the University of Kentucky and a number of other places too in growing numbers. So let's begin. Here in my Canvas training module, you can see I have a test page ready to go to load a YuJa video into. Now what I'm going to show you can work for pretty much anything in Canvas, whether you're using it in announcements or in assignments or discussions or in quizzes, but they use the same rich content editor in each one. When I click on the page, I'm going to edit the page. And now on the far right, what you will see, and I'm going to zoom just a little bit here, but on the far right what you will see now in the new rich content editor in Canvas is something that looks like an electrical plug, and that's where you find all your apps. In older versions of Canvas you may see something right here in the middle that looks like this, but for this newer version that started for us here at University of Kentucky around January of this year 2020, you'll see this plug-in. When I click on that, for us, you scroll all the way down to the bottom and you see YuJa Media. Now you might think you click here, that doesn't actually do anything, so you have to click up here where it says YuJa Media. When you do that, you will get then this dialog box, and this is the YuJa dialog box. This allows you to select any previous videos that you've used, browse for videos, or record your own videos. If you want to select a previous video that's either available to you or that you've used, you may be able to see them down below, and all you do is select the video and it will pop in. I'm going to show you how to upload as well as record a video using YuJa directly into Canvas. So if I browse, click on the browse button, and I just went to my video folder, whatever video that you want to add. I'm going to click on it and click on open. You can see there's a second step where I have to start the upload, and it will upload the video. Once that video is uploaded, it will give you a dialog box that says it's successful. You will see down below then, added to your videos for this course, available for this course, you'll see my JSON test video right there, and usually at the beginning while it's processing, you will not see a thumbnail on it. What you could do at this point though still is that you can select that video. Once you click on that video, it will pop a video into your page, and then all you have to do is save it, and you should be able to play that video back. Now I'm going to show you how to record a video directly into YuJa. I'm going to select that and hit delete, go back over here to my apps menu, go down to YuJa again to open up the YuJa dialog box. So when you click on this button, it should automatically start to download the software if it needs to. If it does not, right beside it is another button that allows you to download the YuJa software capture, and that will allow you to record things. It just needs an extra piece of software in order to record directly into Canvas. Let's try the record here and see if it downloads. It looks to be that it is not downloading, so I'm going to click on the download button. So I'm seeing it download right down here in the corner. Once that's finished, I'm going to click on, I'm going to open it. Should then see a dialog box that comes up to ask if you want to install, and just click on yes, and it will install, as you can see. You'll get another dialog box that asks if you want to allow it to make changes. Click on yes, and then you will see this dialog box come up. It'll show your screen as well as your video source and ask basically have you logged in, should have you logged in if you did this directly from Canvas, and your mic source down here at the bottom. So I know this is a lot of steps at first. Once you have this installed, it should come up automatically. If you want to record directly into your page now, all you would do is click on Start, and there it goes. Hello, this is my message. You can pause it, finish the recording. It tells you this session is ended. You can save it, and it will save it directly into YuJa. Again, this will be available for other classes as well. If I want to insert it right here into this page, I click on, and it will insert it into that page. We should be able to save it then, and as long as it is processed, we should be able to play it back. Sometimes it takes a couple minutes for it to be ready to be played back. So if you see this spinning and you try to do it right away, don't be surprised at that. May need to refresh, come back in a couple minutes, and try playing again to see if you can play it. And you can see, because I just left it at the defaults, it recorded it automatically with my picture, my desktop, and my icon right there. And that's it. That's how you use YuJa to record and upload directly to Canvas. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and I hope this helps.